Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Google Wallet and tap Add to Wallet button. Now focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter Transport Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's go to Loyalty and select card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. Scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's go to Gift Card and similar to Loyalty card, select Shop. Enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.